Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your harvest time tracker, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you permanently close your harvest account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to permanently close your harvest account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you switch over to different softwares, so maybe you need to close down your harvest account. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your harvest account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I've already logged into my account and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to permanently close down your harvest account, you need to click on the settings button here on the top right. Once you do that, you're going to see this drop down menu right here, and you want to click on this button here, close account. All right, once you do that, you're going to see this button right here called close account. Go ahead and click on there. All right, once you do that, they ask you to confirm that you would like to permanently close your account immediately. They do let you know that once you close your account, it is permanent, so you can't reopen this account. You'll need to open up a brand new account. Also, they don't do a refund. It's just basically you lose the amount of your remaining paid subscription. If you're okay with that, go ahead and click on this button, close my account immediately. I'm not going to do that because I'm still using this Harvest app account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to permanently close down your Harvest time tracker account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.